可以了。不稳定，我这个扭不紧，我这扭不紧。
不是坏了，
嗯？
不是坏了那个。
哦，等等。你看中间。
不行，你要看着，不然我这边歪很多，严重。你就不管它，就是那样子了。
Hello, this is Carrie from Light Harbor Lighting. I'm a sales manager from Light Harbor Lighting. Today, very nice to meet you all today. For the next time, I will show you some of our lighting products to you. For the next, let me introduce our company to international standard. Light Harbor products have obtained CUL-UX, CETL-UX, CE World certificates and 36 patents every year. At present, we have acquired the ISO 9001 International Quality System Certificate. Light Harbor also offers the high levels of reliability, maintainability, and functionality of every product made. Choosing Light Harbor will not only bring you high quality but also sincere service. Okay, here is some of our companies introduced to you, and for next time I will show you some series of our lighting products to you. And for the first one I will introduce to you is our multiple downlight series. For our multiple downlight series, we have two type of optics. For the first one is that we have the commercial multiple downlight, and the second one is we have the residential multiple downlight. And for the application we have the new construction time and we have the remodel time. And from the light show, hello, welcome to our night show. Nice to meet you. And for the light show choose, you can choose in the silver trim or choose in the geothermal for both for your option. And today I will show you is our residential multiple downlight in the silver light show and the remodel time multiple downlight in the geothermal light show. The first one let me show you is the one hand multiple downlight, and for the next I will show you in the two hand and the three hand, and we also have the four hand and the four hand in square shape. So today I will show you is the 1, 2, 3 hand. Okay, let me show you some detail on this multiple downlight. Here is the look for the one hand multiple downlight. Okay, here is the load on our one hand multiple downlight. Okay, let me introduce some detail to you. For this multiple downlight, it is combined with the LED module and with the housing. Like this one. This one is the LED module and this one is the housing. And there will have the quick electric connect with the LED driver inside the housing. For the first, let me show you the LED module. Alright, this one. Hi, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. Alright, this one is the LED module for the one hand multiple downlight. For the first, you can see the appearance. This is the trim, and we also can make in the chimneys. The chimney like this one. Like this one is the chimney plans, and this one is the trimmed option. So for this two, you can choose in the chimneys or choose in the trimmed. And then you can see they have some empty part. This one is some empty part. And so what we call this trim is the open trim. And we also have the closed trim. The closed trim is not the empty part. So I didn't have the. Hi, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. I didn't have the costume on hand sample now. So if you want to see the costume for this time, I will introduce the two hand in the costume to you. Okay. So for the trims, you can have 4 options. You can choose in the open trim, open chimneys, closed trim, and the closed chimney. And for both 4 trim, you can just use in the one housing. The housing is the same, and then you can choose in the 4 option on the trim. Okay. And for this light, this one is can achieve the wall wash function. For this hand is can adjustable. Let me show you. You can adjust the right side, left side. This is the left side, right side. Also, you can adjust the front and back like this one. So you just need to adjust the hand in which side you need. So when you have something picture installed in the Word, and then you can use this knife to light up your picture on the Word. So if you have the wobbles need on the lighting, you can just choose this one. Hello, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. Okay, this one is the adjustable. Okay, let me show you the parameter detail on this downlight. For this downlight, for the voltage is made in the 120, and for the dimming, you can choose in the chat dimming or choose in the dimming. And for the CR, you can choose in CR 80 or CR 90. And for the car temperature, this car temperature you can choose in the single car temperature, suite car temperature, or the 5 car temperature. And for the words is made in the 10 word max. And also the COB chip is not working. You can just take apart this ball wing and then take apart the broken COB chip and then change the new one. Hello, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. So for this chip, COB chip is can adjustable your size. This wall wing is can take apart from the module. Okay, here is some parameter detail show on this multiple downlight. Take a look at the back side. The back side here is the hexit. For this hexit we made in the code for hexit. Why we made in code for hexit? Because this is very easy to hit dissection. So more of our multiple downlight, with the downlight we will use this hexit. We will use the code for hexit. Okay, and for the both side is the two clip. This is the clip. This case is how to fit this module in the housing. Hello, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. So for this two clip is to how to fit this module in the housing. And this one is the sweeping quick cutter. Okay. Here is some detail on this multiple downlight. And let me show you the housing. Okay. This one is the housing. And for the driver is inside the housing. Let me show you. Hello, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. Okay, here is the LED driver. The LED driver is inside the housing. When I introduce this one is can made in the single city, 3 city, or the 5 city. And today I show you this multiple downlight is made in the 3 city version. So when you want the 3 city solution, how a 3 city cut in this light, how we adjustable. Okay. You can see there for this pen there will have a switch. This switch is for car temperature adjustable. This switch is how to adjustable the city unit. This one. Hello, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. Okay. For this light I show you today is made in the 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and the 5000 Kelvin. Also, if you have the other car temperature unit, you can just let us know. We can make for you. And when you choose the 3CT version, we will have the CD switch inside the housing, and then we will have the mark to show which side is which CT. So when you, and then for next time when you want which temperature, you can just need to toggle this switch. It is very easy to change. Hello, welcome to our national. Nice to meet you. This is very easy to adjustable. So when you want the 3000 cal, so you just need to put the CD switch in the 3000 cal option according. Here we have the mark to divide you to change the CD switch. Okay. Here is the show on the LED driver and the CD switch. Hello, welcome to our national. Nice to meet you. Take a look at the back side of this housing. The back side there you have a Johnson board. This Johnson board is to help to collect the wire when install this housing in the ceiling. Right, and for this Johnson board, the material is the galvanized sheet. This is the galvanized sheet Johnson board. And for the both side, we will have the two hanger bar to you to install this housing. Okay, let me show you the hanger bar. Okay, like this one. This one is the two hand multiple housing. Okay, both of the multiple downlight series will have these two hanger bar. These two hanger bar is to help to fit this housing inside the ceiling. Hello, welcome to national. Nice to meet you. And this hanger bar is can adjust both the lengths like this one. This one is can adjust both the lengths. This one is can adjust both. If you order the example, we all will make this two hanger bar to you. Okay, this one is the one hand multiple downlight introduced to you. So, if you have any question on this multiple downlight, just leave your message, just leave your contact information. We will have our sales team to contact you and respond your question, or we can send this spreadsheet to you so that you can have more clear on our one-time multiple downlight. So just leave your message, any question on this downlight. We will have our professional sales team to contact you and follow up your question. Okay, here is the whole line on the one hand multiple downlight. So just leave your contact message, just leave your any question. We will have a sales to continue on this multiple downline. Okay. This one is the trim. And this one is the trim mix. For the next time,
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to another nice video. For this time, let me show you the two-hand multiple downline. This one is the housing. This one is the two-hand LD module. And for this trim, it is also have the trim and the trim mix. And for this empty bar, what we call this trim is the open trim, and we also have the closed trim. Let me show you. Okay, this one is the closed trim for the two hand. This one is the open trim. So for this two trim, you just need to choose which you need, which is more suitable for your project design. So for both is can use in the same housing. And let me show you the effect when this die installed on the housing, so that you can have more clear on these two hand on.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to another nice to meet you. Okay, you can see this one. This one is the look on the costume. For this costume, then you cannot see the housing. And let me show you the open trim so that you can have more clear on these two different. Okay, here is the open trim for the. Here is the lock on the open trims. This open trim is can see some part of the housing. So for this two trim, you just need to choose which you need, choose which is more suitable for your project design. And you also can choose these two in the trim mix version. So you can choose in the costume, open trim, and the open trim mix. So it's very flexible for your option. You can just need to choose which you
有
need
买家
choose.
进入直播间
Just
了。
choose which your project design. And for this two, it also can achieve the low wash function, and this two hack is can.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our nice show. Nice to meet you. Okay, for this line, let me show you the altimeter. For the voltage, you can we can make in the 120, also can make in the 120 to 277. Just choose in the single voltage or the wide voltage. And for the word is 10 word. And for the CR, you can choose in CR 80 or CR 90. And for the character, you can choose in the single character, 3 character, or the 5 character. And for this biangle, you can choose in the 3 options. You can choose in the 12 biangle, 24 biangle, and the 36 biangle. So for this both 3 options, you can just choose which you need. Hello, welcome to our channel. Nice to meet you. So for this 3 biangle, you just need to choose which you need, choose which is more suitable for your design. Okay. And for this finish, you can choose in the white finish or choose in the black finish. It is very flexible for your option. And also if you have any other finish you need, you just let us know, we can check and make for you. Okay. Here is some detail shown on these 2 hand multiple downlight. So if you have any question, just leave your contact message or just leave your any question on this line. We will have our sales team to contact you and respond you. And we can send this spreadsheet to you so that you can have more clear on our 2 hand multiple downlight. Also, if you want to have the sample to check, so just contact your message. Hello, welcome to our channel. Nice to meet you. So if you want the sample to check, just let us know. If you order the sample where to see our NISO, we will provide you the expiry, right? And if you order the cargo shipment for this time, we can provide you some free sample. So we can send our free catalog to you so that you can choose some sample you need in our catalog. So just if your contact message, just if your any question. So if you have any project or if you have any your customer need this 2 hand multiple downlight, just contact like Harbor Lighting. If you order the cargo shipment, we can provide you some free sample. Okay. For this one, I show you is that we made in the CCD version also. So why we will make in the CCD version? Because this is can how to save our customers time and save their money.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to nice to meet you. So as we look, more of customer will need the different cabin check. So when you choose this downlight in the 3CD version or the 5CD version, you just need to put this one in your store, and when your customer need any different character, you just need to send this one to you. So this is can help to save your store and save your money. Yes, it is both okay. But this is both okay for you to choose in a single CD or 3CD or the 5CD. So both is okay for us, just for your needs. But now most of our lighting will made in the 3CD. because we just want to save our store and how to save them money. In the one line you can achieve in the CCT version. It is very economy for this. As you know, many client, many customer will need the different character. Yes. Okay. Next one I show you that is made in the CCT versions. So there you have the two switch inside the housing. For the two hand, you have the two CD switch. One hand, so just one CD switch. And you have the mark on the CCT switch side, so that you can have more clear on which side is which CCT. So you just if you change with it, which you okay, here is some introduce on the children medical downline. If you have any question, just let us know. Just leave your comment message. Just leave your comment message if you have any question on this children medical downline. Okay. Here you have our professional sales team to contact you and respond your any question on this multiple downline. Okay. For next time, let me show you in the three-hand version. Okay, this one is the three-hand micro downline. It is the big housing. For the three-hand micro downline, it is also you can choose in a closed chimney, open trim, and open chimneys. And most of the detail is like the two hand I introduced to you. Made in the single or the wide wattage, 10 words per hand. So the total word in this three hand is 30. And CII you can choose in CIT or CI90. And the lumen hour is around 80 lumen hour per hours, and the telemetry you can choose in
有买家进入直播间啦！
Hello, welcome to a nice telemetry. And you can choose in the single character, three character, or the single character. It is both okay for us. Just one unit. And in the B angle, you can choose in the 12 angle, 24 angle, and 36 angle. It is both okay for your option. Okay, and this one I show you is also made in the CCT version. So for the three hand, there we have the CCT switch inside the housing. One CD is a double one hand. Okay, and for the driver, it also have the three driver inside the housing. One hand is one driver, three hand is three driver. Next one, this is the hand audio module. And this one is also can adjust. Okay, like so for our macro analysis, okay, here is the whole row and housing. This one is the hanger bar. And this one is the Johnson ball. This is the galvanized Johnson ball to help to collect the wire when this line installed in the ceiling. Okay, just if you are interested, just leave your contact message. We have something to contact you and provide your detail, more detail. So if you want a sample to this line, just send your sample order to us. If you order the sample where our live show, we will provide you the back supply. Okay. For the new construction I show you today is in the 1 hand, 2 hand, 3 hand, and we also have the 4 hand and the 4 hand in square shape. So if you want to see the 4 hand, just leave your request. We can send you some picture or some video so that you can
有买
have
家
more
进入
clear.
直播间了。
Hi, welcome to our lesson. Nice to meet you. So if you want to see the 4 hand in this downline, just leave your message. We have our sales agent can send you some picture or some video so that you can have more clear on our first serial on this lighting. Okay, let me introduce again this light to you. Today I show you is the one hand, 2 hand, 3 hand. This one is the same series of the macro downlight, 1 hand, 2 hand, and a 3 hand. And for this series, we also can make in the 4 hand, and the 4 hand is square shape. So you can have 5 options on this series. So if you are all both
有买
interested
家
in,
进入直播间了。
hello, welcome to a nice to meet you. So if you are all both interested in this downlight serial, you can order some sample to check. Today I show you this in the 1, 2, 3 hand. And if you want to see the 4 hand, just leave your contact message. We will send you the picture video. Okay, and you also can send the foot catalog to you or the foot spaceship so that you will have more clear on this foot series. active your message. This one is the residential multiple downlight. It is more suitable for use in your apartment, in some store. Okay. For the next, I will show you the remodel type on the multiple downlight. This one is the new construction. You can see this one. This one is the remodel type multiple downlight. And this one I show you is the Geo10 Lysol. The last one for the new construction type is the COB. And for the new construction type, you also can choose in the COB or choose in the Lysol. It is both okay for us for these two Lysol for your option. Okay. And for our remodel type multiple
买家进
downlight,
入直播间了。
you can welcome to our Lysol. Nice to meet you. For our remodel type multiple downlight, you can choose in the 1 hand, 2 hand, and the 3 hand. Okay. This one I show you is the 1 hand. Like this one is the Geo10. Okay, this is the socket to fit the Geo10. This is the Geo10. Okay, let me show you the difference on the Geo10 and the COB. For the Geo10, for the just the words in different. For Geo10, we have 2 options. You can choose in the 6.5 or 8.5 words for this Geo10. And for the COB, you can choose in the 8 words or the 10 words in max. Okay. For this downlight, it is also can adjustable. Like this one. So you can just adjust which side you need. And for this one, for the trim, for the remodel type, we don't have the trim span, and we just have the trim. Because this knife is more used in the rebuild project. So for this downlight is no the trimless version, just have the trim. Okay, here is the trim for the downlight. Right here is the housing. And for the both side is the clip. This clip is to help to fit this knife in the ceiling. There we have the 4 clip. is to help to be in the series. And this is the socket. And this one is the Johnson bond. This Johnson bond is also made in the galvanized shape. Okay, this one is the here is the introduce on the one hand remote type multiple downlight. Also, if you want to see the two hand or the three hand, just leave your message. We will send some special or send some picture videos to you so that you can have more view on this full series. Okay, just if you any question on this line, we will have a professional sales team to follow up you and respond your any question on this Downlight Solutions. Any question, just leave your contact message, just leave your question. Okay, today I show you is what is our multiple downlight series. So if you are all both interested in, just leave your contact message. Also, if you have any other lighting need, like some steam panel light, flash mount, ceiling light, Johnson ball, mirror light, Indian light, check light, or any other lighting
有买
unit.
家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our nice one, nice to meet you. So if you have any other lighting needs, just contact us. We do full series of lighting products. Leave your contact message. We can send our food catalog to you so that you can see in our catalog to check our website we made. And if you have any project quotation requirement, you can inquiry. You can just send the file to us. We can match some our lighting to you on your project requirement. We can provide you the backspace on your inquiry. It is also okay for us if you have the inquiry where to see our night show. Okay, let me introduce our companies again to you. Our company is Night Harbor Lighting. Night Harbor Lighting is a manufacturer with 60-year experience in designing, developing, and supplying wide selections of lighting products. And we focus on North American market, so most of our product is have the certificates and
有买家进入直播间了。
hello, welcome to our national, nice to meet you. So most of our lighting product is suitable for the North American market standard, and it is also have the CULS or CELS listing. So just make sure that our lighting is suitable for the North American sales. We have accept the multiple that I show you today. We also have the check light, linear light, emergency light, ceiling light, steam panel light, or any other lighting you think. We made full series of lighting products. Also, we
有买家进入直播间了。
hello, welcome to our night show. We also provide the OEM and ODM service to meet individual requirements. So if you have any other new lighting want to development, so you can contact us. We can work together with you. So just leave your contact message if you have any other lighting need. Very nice to meet you all today. So just follow up like Harbor Lighting. We will have everyday night show to show you some lighting product. So just follow up like Harbor Lighting. We will have everyday night show to show you the lighting product. Also, if you have any lighting sample to see in our live show, you can send your message and then send the sample you want to see. We can provide you, we can to show you on our live show if we have the lighting you request. Okay. So any question, any information you need, just leave your contact message. Just leave your
有
question.
买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our nice to meet you. Just leave your contact message. Just leave your any question. This is the multiple downlight serial I show you. Any information, any detail you need, just contact my Harbor Lighting. We will provide you the backspine if you order the cargo streamer for this downlight serial. We will provide you some free sample. For the free sample, you can choose the light you need. We can send our catalog to you. You can choose the lighting sample you need in our catalog. It is very nice to meet you, and let me show you.
有买家进入直播间了。
Ceiling light. Hello, welcome to our night show. Nice to meet you. Here is some of our ceiling light. Here is some of our ceiling light. If you are interested in just leave your comment message. This one is the steam panel light. For this steam panel light, you can choose in the bowl tray or the square tray, and for the side, you can choose in
有
the
买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our nice to meet you. This one is the steam panel light. You can choose in the bowl tray or the square tray, and for the side, you can choose in the 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. And for the temperature, you can choose in the single temperature, 3 temperature, or the 5 temperature. Okay. This is the western mount. The other western mount lighting is this one. This one is the LED downlight. You can choose in square shade or the wall shade, and for the side, you can choose in the 4-inch and choose in the 6-inch. This is also the Western lighting. for these two, you can make in the multiple cutting choose. And for the finish, you can choose in the white finish or choose in the black finish. It's personally for your option. Okay, the next I will show you is the functionality string line. This one is the battery. For this one, you can just choose in the wall shape. We didn't have the square shape. And for the side, you can choose in the 4-inch or the 6-inch. Okay, and this one is the other fractionizing line. This one you can choose in the wall shape or choose in the square shape. And for the side, you can choose in the 5.5-inch, 7-inch, 9-inch, 12-inch, 60-inch, and 24-inch. For both sides, option you just can choose in the wall shape or the square shape. Okay. All these
有买
lighting.
家进入直播间啦！
Hello, welcome to another nice video. Okay, for all these steering line, you can just choose which you need. So if you have any question on this, just leave your contact message. We have Sassy to contact you and send this first serious spreadsheet to you, so that you can have more clear on this steering line. Okay, so if you order the cargo shipment for us, we can send this sample to you with no fee for you. Okay. If you almost interested in this line, then just leave your contact message. We will have a professional sales team to contact you. Okay. For today, I show you some residential lighting products to you. The first one I introduced to you is the multiple downlight, and the second one is the ceiling light. All this light is more suitable for the residential products. If you are almost interested in, just contact Light Harbor Lighting. Okay. Very nice to meet you all today. And for the next time, I will have another partner to go ahead to show you the lighting products. So just follow up Light Harbor Lighting. We have 18 night show. For next time, I will have another partner to go ahead to show you the lighting products. Very nice to meet you all today. See you next time. Bye.
有买家进入直播间啦！
哦，
有买家进入直播间了。有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, my dear friends, and welcome watch Downlight live show. And I'm Charlie. I have been working for Downlight have been more than 5 years. So today we are going to introduce our wholesale items in the last year, 2022. Yes, and before we introduce and show our wholesale items, so for make you know more our company's detailing for us, so I will make a simple introduction of our company. Downlight Lighting is a professional North America's lighting fixtures manufacturers with more than 16 years experience. Most of our lighting fixtures are CETL US certification. We specialize in producing some traditional 4-inch and 6-inch construction and remodel housings and retrofit and trims. And we also produce the track light, ceiling lights, residential multiple downlight, commercial multiple downlight, and some 2 hours private downlight and LED mirror and so on. Do you know how we can produce such a lot of lighting features? The first one, my boss, our owners, he pay attention, he focus and pay attention to the new item development job, and he built professional engineer teams, and our engineer teams including structure engineer, electrical engineer, and outlook design engineer. Yes, different engineer in charge of different jobs. So when we can offer OEM and OEC service. Yes, for example, so if you want to help you do some customized items, so or develop some new items, okay, you can share your idea to us and we can offer you a solution, or you can send me a drawing and we will figure out these items development cost for your budget. And then we also have our own die-cast factory, molding factory, laser cut factory, CNC workshop, punch workshop, and the packaging workshop. Yes, those workshops play an important role to help us to save the cost, controls the cost better. That means we can offer you a very competitive price. Yes, and since we can do 16 years and after the coronavirus and we still running, that means we are strong. We have a strong team, and besides the engineer team, we also have the QC team, our quality control team, and this team have IQC, ICQC, and OQC. IQC it means import quality control, and this guy is checked each material before they put into our stock. And the ICQC it means check the assimilation. Yeah, so if there are any issues happen during assimilation, and they will figure out the first time. And the last one is the OQC. OQC means check the quality, the goals qualities before we ship to our clients. And for example, our withstand lighting fixtures is 3-year warranties. Our commercials lighting fixtures is 5-year warranty. So if there are any issues happen during the warranty time, so we can offer a free replacement to you. Yes.
有买家进入直播间了。
For example, the first item we will introduce our residential multiple downlight. Yes, this residential multiple downlight is a 3-year warranty. We have the one head, double head, and the triple head multiple downlight, and those are new construction multiple downlight. New construction means for the new building. And here's the remodel multiple downlight.
有买家进入直播间了。
Yes, all of ours residential multiple downlights is CETL US certification. Yes. This is we sell these multiple downlights more than 40 pieces, 40 high cube containers every year. In the last year. The wholesalers, those colors including the wholesaler and some lighting projects. Yes, and we stand those lighting project. This item is combined with two parts. First part is the item part. There is a URL specification connector to connect these two parts. And this is the housing, reconstruction housing. I see it tirade. This is the die-cast aluminum COB module, and this heatsink can support 10 watts, and 800 delivery volume output 800, and CI is more than 90. Its degree can be 12, 24, and 36. And the CCT can be 2,700 Kelvin, 3,000 Kelvin, 4,000 Kelvin, 5,000 Kelvin, and 6,000 Kelvin. The chips brand we use is F-Star. F-Star, yes, and these chips is have more than 50,000 hours lifespan. As this is the residential and COB modules type lighting features, we should use the high quality chips. Yes, long lifespan chip, because that means you don't need to worry about the replacement every year, since this long lifespan, so you don't need to do some replacement work. And the head can be adjustable around. It can be in all 4 directions. It can be 60° adjustable. It's very flexible. To direct the light to each corner. Yeah. So you can install it on the hallway, or in some closed door. Yes. To light up the ghost. And as for the finish, it can be black and white finish, trimmed and trimless trim. This is trimless. And open trimmed and closed trim. Close ship.
有买家进入直播间了。
Here's the housing. Yes, there was different standard between the Asia and the North Americas. And the North American markets, they always requires the IC and non-IC housing. Yes, because there was the building material is different. In the North Americas, their buildings material is wood, so they are very take care of the safety, each electrical item safety. So to avoid any fire happen, so we need to ensure each lighting fixtures won't get fires doing work. So we always require a housing. Yes. Housing. ICs mean installation
买
contact.
家进入直播间了。
What is the IC installation content? And the America's building, because their weather is always cold or hot, so they always put some to avoid the outdoor air come to indoor. Yes, so when they cut the hold of for the lighting fixtures, they always put some installation material to avoid the outdoor air break into indoor, so that can help their indoor temperatures is comfortable. So they always put the installation materials to the cut hole, surround the cut hole. But it will be another problem is coming. So because the installation material is will be an effect to the precipitation. So to ensure the light can work with the installation material, they have to ensure they have to use a housing, IC as a housing. Yes. So this IC as a housing is is an important part to ensure the lighting fixtures can work well with the installation material. And this housing material is steel with black powder finish. Black powder. Here's the handlebar bracket. Our handlebars can be expanded to 24-inch.
有买家进入直播间了。
Here is 4-in 4-out Johnson bolt. Yes, this Johnson bolt is widely used in the North American market. Yes, 4-in 4 Johnson bolts. This is the warren label. Where's the driver? Yes, the driver is inside of the housing. Put it up. And we can offer track dimming and 0 to 10 dimming driver. Yes. And all this driver's warranties is of 3-year warranties. Yes. Class 2 rate CETIA certification. Track dimmable. And also can be 0 to 10 dimmable. Okay. Here's the 3 CCTV switchable switch. It can be 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin switchable. Yes. Here's the 3 CCTV switchable. It can be 3000, 4000, and 5000 switchable, or 3000, 3500, and 4000 switchable. And it also can be one dimming. Yes, outlets can be one dimming, and one dimming step means change the colors in the range of 1800 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin. And it also can be timber white. Timber white means 1800 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. Yes, change the color in this range. It also can be demask control or PoE lighting solutions. PoE is a new technology, and it's a revolution of the lighting features. PoE means power. P for power. O for over. E for infinite. For power over infinite. And this technology is used in the security system. Yes, in the beginning. Now, there are many lighting features also have the emergency function and the security. For example, the security slide. Yeah, so we also bring these technologies to our lighting features. Let's install the lighting parts. Please leave your messages, WhatsApp, and email, and our sales team will share out a catalog, price list, and spaceship to you at the first time. And besides this residential multiple downlight, we also have the commercial multiple downlights. The commercial multiple downlights, each head can be 25 watts, and 2000 deliverable lumen output. And this commercial multiple downlight is mostly used in some high ceiling lighting projects. For example, I'm working for a 4S store, and their ceiling height is around 5 meters. 5 meters. That means they should choose the high deliverable lumen output lighting features. And commercial lighting features warranty is 5 years. Yes. We have to use the top quality chips and top quality driver. And some clients always ask questions that what about our lead time? Our lead time is 45 days. Yeah, 45 days, and for the repeat order is 35 days. Why the repeat order is faster than the first orders? Because as this is the first version, we need to confirm every details, the samples, the packaging, the sample and packaging, and others, electrical data, space. Yes, and then we need to type those involves into our ERP system. Yes, a factory manager system. So then we will when your data in our ERP system, that means our purchase team, engineer team, and production teams can move. They can move their job. Yes, and all of our goals data is tied into the ERP system. Yes, to ensure there are no mistake, any issues happen during the production. This is an important production factory management. And today the second item is our 4-inch and 6-inch, 8-inch cylinder downlight. Yes, and before we introduce our 6-inch and 4-inch and 8-inch cylinder downlight, and let me make a simple introduction of our companies. Downlight is a professional manufacturer with more than 16 years experience. We specialize in some North America's traditional 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch new construction and remodeled 4-inch housing and the energy retrofit. We also produce some pendant light, recessed downlight, check light, LED mirror. To our private transversal and housing and the multiple and the residential and the commercial multiple downlight and other outdoor landscape lighting features. So do you know how we can you may curious how we can produce a lot of items. The first our owners is take care of the new items development. So then he built a professional engineer team. And ask them and let this team to develop more than 20 piece new items every year. These engineer teams have the three type engineer. The first type is in charge structure engineer in charge of design each structure. If this is work in the North America's market, and the second type is the electrical engineer. Yes, to make sure the drivers, the wires, the components, the electrical components, and the chips is certified with the North America's electrical safety standard. And the outlook design mean we will offer different options for the chimneys, black, white, haze, white and black reflectors, and so on. And this engineer also in charge of the packaging design, catalog design, and the spaceship design. Yes. Besides the engineer team, we also have our own hardware factory. Yes, this hardware factory including the laser cut workshop, die cast workshop, CNC workshop, and the punch extrude aluminum workshop. Even and we also have our own packaging factory. We can offer ODM and OEC service. ODM OEC service. If you still searching some professional factory to help you do some customized item or develop some new items, so we can offer this professional service to you. We can develop one new items within 3 months. 3 months. Yes, the first month is design and prepare for the tooling job and confirm the detail with the clients. Then we will start to make the tooling at the first in the second month, and then the third month is to do a a production, to do a test production. Yes. This test production will find some we'll find some problem when we assemble, when we do the simulation. And we also have our QC team. Yes, QC team is play important role to ensure our clients can good quality lighting features. For example, this quality control team including the OQC, IQC, and ICQC. IQC means they check the materials before we put them into our warehouse, and the ICQC means check the simulation. If there are any issue happen during explanation, and they can figure it out at the first time. And the last is the OQC. So when we finish the ghost, the OQC will inspect the ghost after offers the pass report. That means we can distribute to our clients. Our residential lighting features is a 3-year warranty, and cylinder downlight and and a commercial lighting feature is 5-year warranty. Yeah. Five-year warranty. So if there are any happen issues during the warranty time, we can offer the replacement to you. Okay, so let me introduce the last items. Our 4-inch and 6-inch cylinder downlight. This is the 4-inch one. And this cylinder downlight has two type mounting weight. Here's the panel mounted, and there is the surface mounted. And for the panel mount, it can be 12, 24, and 36 lengths. And as for the finish, it can be a black, same white, a gray, a green, a blue, and other color. Here's the 360 switch. We can offer, this is a haze reflectors. We also can offer white reflector and clear reflector. People. That means we add this system to our checklist downlight. That means we can touch the light directly and we don't worry we don't worry get hot by the electrical. And it also easy to control. Yes, there are a system, so you can control the light, the color, and the walls voltages in the computer. And the computer always will show the lighting data, or if it is open or warm. Here's the recessed downlight. The 3.5 inch, the 4-inch new construction downlight. Yes, this downlight is popular in the commercial lighting projects. And mostly commercial lighting features always requires large voltages. So and this 4-inch multiple downlight max voltages can be 25 watts, and 2,200 delivered lumen output. And this one has 3 type head. It has the downlight, vertical, the downlight overshield, and the adjustable. Yes, this light can be, the head can be adjustable and direct the light to each corner. And this is the architecture downlight. And to be honest, we always we have produced these items more than 7 years. The beginnings and the old versions of 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch. 4-inch only can be 25 watts. 6-inch, the old versions 4-inch 25 watts. 6-inch is 35 watts, and 8-inch is 45 watts. And now we have with the new version is that we can these items can be more than 100 watts. Yes, 100 watts, because this item always be used in the high ceiling around 10 meters. So we have to use 100 watts. So we improved this item in the past year. And here's the multiple downlight. We improved some chimneys and auto design. Here's our up and down linear line, for the office lighting projects. This auto design is very fashion and special. So you can, with a tilt, you can see the line source. This item is used appearance, because this is already hide in the housing. Yes. And this one also can be connectable. Yes. So it can be connect 4 feet, 4 feet plus 4 feet, 8 feet, or triple 4 feet plus together to get the 12 feet inner line. And this inner line voltage is 45 watts. 45 watts. Sorry, 45 watts for the downlight and 10 watts for the uplight. Yes, it can be light up the floor and also light up the ceiling. And its material is the aluminum with sand, green and white, black color finish. It also can be 3cc switchable, 3000, 4000, 5000. 3cc switchable. And you can also use remote controllers to dimming
购买家进入直播间了。
these lighting features. Up and down in the light. Yes. This only sell for the office lighting projects. If you use this, install these items on your office, and the whole office UGR is less than light. Yes. UGR less than light. So this is a good option for the high level office building. And that is a new item in the local market. Yes, this is new item. We call it 2-hour fireplace downlight. 2-hour fireplace downlight. We have 4-inch, 6-inch regress basic and the 3CCT, 5CCT, the 120 AC solution and the PoE solution version. Yes. The 4-inch 2-hour fireplace and the 4-inch 2-hour fireplace downlight mesh voltage can be 9 watts. And the 6-inch one is 14 watts. 14 watts. 9 watts is 1000 kV output, and the 6-inch one can be 1400 kV output. The 3cc switch is on the driver. It can be 3000, 4000, 5000 driver. And we use the FCC qualified drivers to this 2-hour fireplace downlight. How to certify the fireplace? We have to use special materials, and its melt point around 700 temperatures. So, and this material melt point is more than 1500 temperatures. That means so this material is strong enough and won't get fires under 2-hour heating. Yes, 2-hour heating. and so this item's design is very uh, certified with the law of America's uh, safety. Yes, it's a very safety item. And if you use these items on your building, when the buildings get fire, you can have more time to escape. So we just showed 6 series new items to you today. So the 1-inch super shallow 1,200 volume output SLI, and vertical head downlight overshare head 2,000 volume output commercial downlight, and more than 100 was just downlight, and outlook on the more fashion outlook design multiple downlight, special outlook design up and down in the lights, and super safety to our priorities downlight. If you interested in all those other features, so please contact us for quick access to the new product catalogs and the quotation.
有买家进入直播间了。
Okay, thanks for watching our live show today. Yes, and our Jessica will introduce other items to you later.
有买家进入直播间了。有买家进入直播间了。 进入直播间了。有买家进入直播间了。有买家进入直播间了。 有个手机快没电了。
多给点朋友聊天。
买家宰生想看直播，打招呼吧。Hello, welcome to Downlight Show. This is Jessica for Light Harbor. First, I'd like to introduce our company to you. Light Harbor Lighting is a manufacturer with 16 years experience in designing, developing, and supplying wide selection of lighting products. Light Harbor located in Foshan City, China. Light Harbor factory covers an area of 60,000 square meters and is well equipped. Light Harbor offers a complete product line of resist downlight, ceiling light, mirror light, multiple downlight, check light, exit and emergency light, LED bulb, LED tube, cabinet lights, and a lot kinds of outdoor lights. In addition to standard products, we also provide OEM and ODM service to meet individual requirements. All Light Harbor products generally conforming to international standards. Light Harbor products have obtained CULUS, CETLUS, DLC, CE, Road Certificate, and 36 patent products every year. At present, we have acquired the ISO 9001 International Quality System Certificate. Light Harbor also offers the highest level of reliability, maintainability, and functionality of every product made. Choosing Light Harbor will not only bring you high quality products, but also sincere service. Okay, first, today we will introduce our ceiling light to you, the stencil ceiling light. You can see here is our ceiling light we will introduce today. This one is the LED slim panel, and this is the Downlight. This is the Downlight series.
买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to Light Hub Light Show. Welcome to Light Hub Light Show room. I would like to introduce our LED ceiling light to you. First, I would like to introduce this LED slim panel. See? LED slim panel light. This is our 4-inch LED slim panel. For the LED slim panel, we have 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch round shades and square shades. This one is the 4-inch round shade LED slim panel line. The dimension is the cup out dimension is 4-inch, and the outer ring, this outer ring will be 5-inch. Yes. Okay, let me show you more detail of this LED slim panel. You can see this ring. This material is die-casting aluminum. Die-casting aluminum material. Here is the PC diffusion. LED is this feature is edge lit. The LED is around this circle. This one is the EVA gasket. This cover is the aluminum back cover. This is the strong grade. Welcome to Light Hub Light Show. Now I'm introduce our 4-inch LED slim panel light. This is the crate. When installed, you can push this crate like this and put in the cup hole. Then you can install. It's very easy. It's very easy to do the installation. You can see this is the 4-inch one. 4-inch. The cup out is the 4-inch, and the outer ring will be bigger. Okay, this is the LED. For this feature, welcome to Light Hub Light Show. We are trying to introduce our LED slim panel line. This is our 4-inch LED slim panel. For the 4-inch LED slim panel, our voltage is 120 volts. The 120 volts. The voltage is 9 watts and can give about 700 lumen output. For the CRI is 80. CRI 80. And the CRI 80 and the CCT, the color temperature. This feature is the 3 CCT. 360, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to Live Show. Now I'm introduce our LD Slim Panel line. This is our 4-inch LD Slim Panel line. Round shape. We have the round shape and square shape. The size from 3-inch to 6-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. This one is the 4-inch cutout. The cutout is 4-inch. This is very popular in US and Canada market. Very popular. The price is very very compatible. You can see this is super slim. Only one inch high, include this. Only 1 inch high. It can suitable for the shallow sink. The CCT. Welcome to Live Show. This LD Slim Panel. This feature is 3 CCT, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. Inside the LED, it has the two color LED. One is the 3000K. Another one is the 5000K. Then it can mix the 4000K. Then it become the 3000K, three color temperature from 3000K, 4000K to 5000K. For this feature, the warranty is 3 years and it is ETL certificate. And we also have the Energy Star certificate. It's very popular in the US market. We sell a lot. We sell many containers. Sorry, I'll pick up the phone. Wait. 哎，你好。
有买家进入直播间了。
我们this is the 4-inch 120 volts and 9 watt 700 lumen output. If you still have any question for our LD Slim Panel line, please leave us a message or you can send us email. Our email address is info@lightharbor.com. Our website is www.lightharbor.com. welcome your inquiries and your message. Okay, this part I have
买
introduced
家进入直播间啦！
just now. Okay, welcome to Lahablaiso. Welcome. Next, I will introduce the Johnson box to you. For this Johnson box, it have the driver inside, and it also can be connect the wire. The driver inside. This box is aluminum material with the black plating, the sand back plating. It looks very good. Welcome to Lahablaiso. Now I introduce our LD slim panel light. This is our Johnson box. You can see this material is the aluminum material with the sand back plating. It looks very good. It has the two stand-down knockout for the wire connecting. Let's open this box to show you inside. Ooh. Can see inside. Inside this is the driver, and here is the wire. As I have introduced first, this feature is the 360T, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. So in here, this is the 360T switch. 360T switch. You can select the color temperature. Just push this switch to the color you want. Here is the 3000K, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. This wire is the FT4 wire. This fast connector. Let's show you how to connect this females and male connector. Okay, disconnect. Okay. Just put these two together and then put it. Welcome to Lahablaiso. Now I'm introduce our LD slim panel light. This is our 4-inch LD slim panel light. If you are interested in, please don't hesitate to contact us. For the LD slim panel, we have 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. We have those dimension. For the 3-inch, our wattage is 6 watt and can provide 500 lumens. And for the 4-inch, we do 9 watt or 10 watt, and it can provide 700 lumen output. And for the 6-inch, we do the 12 watt, and it can be provide about 1000 lumen output. All our LED slim panel feature can be single CCT and 3 CCT. The single CCT include the 2700K, 3000K, 4000K, 5000K, and 6000K. And for the 3 CCT, we can do the 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K in one fixture. And the 3 CCT one is more and more popular in the market because it can help you to save the money, save the time, and save the warehouse. Because if you have the 3 CCT options in one fixture, one feature can meet your different project needs. So it is very popular and very good item. You must have to try it. If you help you win in the 2023 year.
买家载声想看直播，打个招呼吧。
Hello, welcome to Light Show. Now I'm showing our LED slim panel light. For our LED slim panel light, we have the 4-inch and 6-inch and the 3-inch. For now, we have the 4-inch round shade. We have the material installed. If you purchase from us, we can give a very fast delivery to you. As you know, now is near to our Chinese New Year holiday, and many factories will be closed in few days and will be reopened in the middle of February. So if you purchase our LED slim panel light, we can give a very fast delivery because we have the material in house. So if you
有买家进入直播间啦！
welcome to Light. So this we are showing our LED slim panel light. If you have question for our LED slim panel light, if you have project needs our LED slim panel light, if you wholesaler, you have sell this item, don't hesitate to contact us. Our product will help you win in the market. Our product will let you win in the market in the new year, in this 2023 year. Okay, if you still have questions, please send us message. We will send you more detail like the picture, video, spaceship, catalog, the test report, IS file, the price is the most important, the quotation. Okay, I will introduce the next item. Okay, I will introduce the next item is the this line. This is our this is our LED. This is our this slide 4-inch version and the 6-inch version. This is the 4-inch and this is the 6-inch. For the 4-inch one. This I will show you the detail. This outer ring is the aluminum material with the painting. We can paint with the white and black, and also if you have special requirement, you can consult with us. We can do the customers painting if you have good quality. Yes, if you have good quantity. This is the PC cover, the PC diffuser. The LED is the belly. This is the cover, black cover. This is the galvanized steel material. Welcome to Downlight Solutions. This is our LED display. It's 4-inch. For the LED display, the voltage is 120 volt, and the LED is the SMD 28 and 35. Welcome to Downlight Show. This is our 4-inch LED display. The voltage is 120 volt. It is 12 watts for this 4-inch and can provide about 1000 lumen output. And the current temperature. We can do the single color temperature and the 360. For the single color temperature, we can do the 2700K, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. And for the CI, it can be 80s or 90s. So just let us know your request. We can do and recommend you the correct item. This is the wire, and this is the flush mount. It can installed with the junction box, the J box. Okay, this is the 6-inch one. The 6-inch one is the 6-inch one is 40 watt. 40 watt and can provide 40 watts and can provide 1200 lumen output. And the CI also can be 80s or 90s. 80s or 90s. Temperature 80 or 90. This is the PC diffuser. This is the EVA gasket. Okay, this is for the LVD slide. Round shape. And we also have this series. This series is the dimension, the size. We have 5-inch to 24-inch. We have the 5-inch, 7-inch, 9-inch, 12-inch, 60-inch, and 24-inch. We have the round shapes and square shape. This one I show you is the square shape 5-inch fixture. What's the difference for this and this feature? Okay, let me tell you. For the outer rim, this feature is die casting aluminum material. This one is the aluminum sprinting, not the die casting. But this one is the die casting. And here, this is the PC diffuser. This is the template glass. This is the glass. You can see it's the template glass. This is the PC diffuser. So this feature price cannot compare with this. Cannot compare with this. You know, in this feature is the Setco standard. You know the Setco lighting. Setco standard is the aluminum and the glass and the width, the thickness is 1 inch. In the market, it will have also have the die casting aluminum, but the thickness is only the half inch, and also have the factory making the practice rim also. So this one is the aluminum die casting and with the tempered glass, and this feature is very good. These have the round shapes and square shape. 5-inch. Also, this feature can do the 360T, CI 90 or 80. It can be do. It have this option. If you are interested in this series, if you have project need, and if you do wholesale for this product, please contact us. Our email address is info@lightharbor.com. Our website is www.lightharbor.com. Welcome to visit our website. Leave us the messages or send us email. Our salesman will reply you and provide more detailed information. Okay. Next item. Next item. The Downlight. This is the flash mount. The Downlight, like this LED panel, it is resist mount. For the Downlight, we have the 4-inch, 6-inch round shade and square shade. Now we saw the sample is only had a round shade here, but we also can do the square shade. LED Downlight, this 4-inch is 10 watts and can provide about 700 lumen output. For this is the 6-inch, it can do 40 watts.
买家在声想看直播，打个招呼吧。
Welcome to Light. So now I'm showing our Downlight 4-inch, 6-inch, 4-inch, 10 watts, 700 lumen output. 6-inch is 40 watts and can about 1000 lumen output, and the CRI can be 90 or 80, and the color temperature can be single color temperature, also can be the 2 CCT, 3 CCT, also can be 5 CCT. This 2 CCT can do 3000 K, 4000 K, and for the 3000 K we can go do the for the 3 CCT we can do the 3000 K, 4000 K, and 5000 K. This feature for this series is the residential lighting, and we can provide 3 years warranty, and this feature or its ETLC certificate, CETL US certificate. It can be sold in the US and Canada market, so don't be worried. We have the certificate and we can provide 3 years warranty. If you have project needs, please don't hesitate to contact us. Finally, I will introduce our factory again to you. Light Lighting is a manufacturer with 16 years experience in designing, developing, and supplying wide selection of lighting products. Light Harbor located in Foshan City, China. Light Harbor factory covers an area of 60,000 square meters, and it is well equipped. Light Harbor offers a complete product line of resist downlight, scene light, rear light, multiple downlight, check light, exit and emergency light, LED bulb, LED tube, cabin lights, and a lot of outdoor lights. In addition to standard products, we also provide OEM and ODM service to meet individual requirements. All Light Harbor products strictly conforming to international standards. Light Harbor products have obtained CULUS, CETLUS, DLC, CE Road certificates, and 36 patent product area. At present, we have acquired the ISO 9001 International Quality System certificate. Light Harbor also offers the highest level of reliability, maintainability, and functionality of every product made. Choosing Light Harbor will not only bring you high quality but also the sincere service.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to Light Harbor Light Show. Today I show is the residential scene light. This is the LED dome light, this is the disc light, and this is the LED panel. If you if you are interested in, please don't hesitate to contact us. Tomorrow we will have the show same time. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you. Bye.